Hi guys! So gagawa tayo ng pizza bread. Gamit tayo nito. Lalagay lang tayo nito. Yun ang gagamitin.
Flowers.
So dahil wala tayong ham.
Flowers.
So wala tayong ham. Pineapple. So guys, kung gusto nyo ng mura lang ng cheese na nagme-melt, try nyo to. Later makikita nyo yung resulta ng ginawa natin pizza.
Click nyo lang sa yellow basket.
Yung finished product.
How the heck am I supposed
Medyo
to know that
na-toast.
you
I-click
have money
nyo
or not?
yan sa
I know, this is got a jump
yellow
scare.
basket.
Na-toast siya guys kasi nakalita.
I-click nyo
Oh
siya
my
sa
God.
yellow
There's
basket.
literally
Tsaka
ads
bilhin nyo na tong cheese na to.
Bye.
Pan ice cream po siya, guys.
She wants $1
Ice cream? Hindi yan
What's
pang
that
ice
for?
cream.
Is that like the dancing lady in this game?
Bawal
don't
po
even like the
pakita
sound
yung
funny, but
mukha
let me check
kapag
on you.
Nagawa pa ako ng
I feel
isang
like
batch. Pero hindi ko napapakita. So, yun na guys.
So many steps.
Bye!
Thank you.
Ito masarap to.
Excuse me, can you please remove those women?